it's finally here. The moment we've been waiting for. Oh.
Hey everyone, it's Mary and Joel from the Costco Zaddy. Today we are going to do a first impressions of the new Kirkland Signature crew neck sweaters.
So I first discovered the sweaters on the Costco subreddit. One of the Reddit users had posted a bunch of Kirkland Signature branded sweaters in one of their local Costco's, and I was like, what? I need to have this in my life. We rushed over to our local Costco and they weren't over there. Immediately hopped onto Costco.com. They were in stock, and so I ordered a couple sweaters, and after 10 days, they finally arrived. So let's open it up. Let's do it.
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I got the large because like I wanted it to be a little bit more loose fitting on me.
Yes. And I got the medium because same thing, I wanted it to be a lot looser and comfortable. So it does come in two different colors. It comes in white and gray, but we both opted for the gray.
Yeah, the gray I thought was much better, and I went with more things. But looking at this right now, it looks pretty good. I'm looking at like the logo. The signature part is like stitched on. It's not even like printed on. And the print feels kind of nice. And like overall, what do you think? I mean, it feels like it's like pretty thick.
Yeah, I agree. It feels like it's a higher quality crew neck sweater. Inside has like a fleece lining, so it's gonna feel really soft against your skin. Yeah, so that's nice that the signature is, what is it called? Stitched on. And then the Kirkland part is actually like it's printed on. It's like an iron printed lettering. And
it feels like a pretty good quality cotton. And of course you got the Kirkland Signature label on there. This might be one of the hottest pieces in 2020.
Oh, the hottest pieces in 2021.
Or 2021. This looks great. I'm gonna try it on.
All right, I'm gonna go off camera and switch it out my sweater.
This is kind of nice. I like this. All right, so we just put them on and they fit really nicely. I got the large, and as you can see, like it fits pretty nice on me. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger, but
yeah, same. I would say that this feels more like fitted for me. It's not as like loose and baggy as I was expecting it to be.
Yeah, it's definitely more fitted. It's comfortable. It feels pretty smooth to the touch.
Yeah, I feel
one of the better things I have in my closet.
Yeah, this is definitely a higher quality crew neck sweater for sure.
Oh yeah, it smells good.
Well, that looks really good on you. I feel like that really
as you can
fits
see,
you.
Oh
wow.
Yeah, this is a nice fit. Like, so I'm about 5'8", and you know, regular build. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Just looking at it, you know.
Okay. I'm about 5 feet tall. So the arms, of course, it's usually always too long for me, but that's okay. It's like nice and tight though around the wrists.
I think overall it's a really good fit. It feels like it's quality, like the logo that's printed on there. The sleeves are like a good length, at least for me. Again, I have a large. It just feels like a really good quality Kirkland Signature sweater. Kirkland, you've done it again. All right, so that's the Kirkland Signature sweater. You can find it on Costco.com.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you also grabbed the Kirkland sweater, make sure you let us know in the comments down below and let us know what you think. If you like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up.
And if you're living that crazy Costco life like we are, make sure to subscribe to us. Until next time, bye guys.
Bye.